Should South Africa deport Rutendo Matinyarare? Rutendo Matinyarare is a Zimbabwean native who's currently in South Africa and is a highly controversial figure, right? It's a highly controversial individual. So there's been calls. I'm asking this question, which emanates from a heated exchange that took place on X. Of course, X is formerly known as Twitter, between Rutendo himself and the leader of the Action SA, which is Herman Mashaba. Where Herman Mashaba said that Rutendo must be deported from South Africa. But why did he say that? It's because Rutendo attacked Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi for coming out against Senzo Mchunu and others, where Rutendo is saying that Mkhwanazi